Most 80-foot sport yachts run twin engines. The Azimut S8 starts with 3. Built by Azimut in Italy, part of the S-series flagship line. Hull and superstructure in fiberglass and carbon fiber, engineered by PL Ausonio Naval Architecture and Azimut's own research and development department. 3 Volvo Penta IPS 1350 pod drives, 1,000 horsepower each, 3,000 horsepower total. Top speed up to 34 knots, cruise up to 28. Full performance and range data available at yachtspecsdirect.com. 80 feet 10 inches overall, beam 18 feet 3 inches, draft 5 feet 9 inches, displacement just under 58 tons. On deck, the galley drops to its own level, freeing the main deck for open guest living. A carbon fiber superstructure lightens the build by up to 30%. Paired with triple pod propulsion and an optimized hull, fuel burn and emissions fall by up to 30% in the main running range. Automated interceptors hold ideal trim at every speed, and an integrated Garmin control system runs engines, tanks, and climate from either helm station or a tablet. 4 cabins and 4 heads, sleep 8 guests, headlined by a forward owner's suite. The main deck salon runs bright and open, a direct result of moving the galley below. Bottom line, the S8 is Azimut's case for triple pod propulsion at flagship scale, built lighter, and laid out to keep the main deck entirely for guests. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.